Hello, I'm Chris Catlin, Executive Director of Cambodia Action. Some of the last and important words that Jesus spoke before going to the Father included instructions into going into all the earth. Cambodia is part of that instruction. It's a country with great opportunities, open hearts, and wide open doors. Being a missionary for over 4 decades, I've come to understand the blessing that comes when one leaves his or her home to go to a foreign country. For some, this may be a short-term exploratory trip. For others, a longer season. Despite the length, Cambodia Action has a number of placements and openings with our partners where you can serve and grow using the gifts that God has given you. Don't say, as Jesus reminds us, that the time is not right. He said the harvest is ripe. Cambodia is such a place, a rich field, ready and accessible, the most open country to the gospel in Southeast Asia. Come with us this November on a discovery trip. I promise you, you'll be blessed and hopefully you'll return or stay longer. God bless you.